you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today, yes, I'm revealing 3 wigs from Shein. 3 wigs, they are synthetic, okay? These are those. These are the wigs. There are 3 wigs here they sent me. Synthetic wig. So we're going to try it. We're going to try them to see their synthetic wig. If they are going to look bomb. If they are going to look bomb. Okay, guys? Yes, they are here. So this is the first one here. Okay. I can't wait. Guys. Alright. Hey. Okay. Okay, this one is brown, okay? It's kind of, this is brownish color. Ooh, I've not worn this kind of color before. I don't think so. This is it. This is what you get. Ah, this is love. Look at it. Ooh. And this is fudge. This is fudge. Bangs. Okay, this is bangs. Just look at these. Okay. All right. Let's put this aside. And anything came with this one? No. Okay. Then the second one. We are going to try all this together today, not tomorrow. Today we are trying everything. This one. Okay. See this one. Ooh. All right. And this one has lace. Ooh, look at it. Just look at this. Look at these. Look at these. The lace is long. The lace is long. What were they thinking? Okay, we are going to do this. We're going to cut, but it's a little bit white. You just need to use your foundation or you use your hair and lace tint, whatever, just to tint that. And this is what you get. Okay, guys, and let's see the last one. The last one is this one. How many inches? I did not even tell you guys the inches. Is it written? Okay, this one is 16 inches. 16 inches. And this one is how many inches? Is it written on it? The inches of this one is not written on it. No. Okay, 22. 22 inches is written here. 22 inches. Okay, let's bring it out. And they added a wig cap. Woo! Shein. They are popping. All right. Oh, guys, this one is long. Ooh. Wow. This cannot be 22 inches. But I saw 22 inches. How come I saw 22 inches? This cannot be 22 inches. Come out. Okay. So look at the front. Just look at it. This don't look synthetic at all. It doesn't look synthetic, just that it's shining anyway. That's how you know synthetic, they shine. But anyway, it's beautiful. And they are affordable. They are not expensive. That's the thing about it. Okay, you just rock this hair. They are not expensive. Look at the hairline. Ooh, they pluck it. Can you see that? They pluck this. They did well in the plucking. They did well. Alright, and this is how the inside looks like. Can you see this? With some combs and inbuilt adjustable strap. And you can see this lace. Okay, and here. Hey guys. This is the fudge I am wearing. Okay, hey, look at this. Look at this, guys. Can you see that? So this is synthetic. This synthetic is just too bomb. So let me do with the easy one first before we do the rest. And this is what you get. You can as well, if you don't want it to cover your eye, just push it a little like this. I think it's okay. Guys, Look at this one. Oh. And the funniest thing is that it does not tangle. This does not tangle. So guys, the direct link will be on the description box, so check it out if you are interested. Okay, we're still going to try the rest. I'm going to wear the rest. The quality is really, I don't believe it doesn't even look like synthetic. Look at it, look at the shine it give you. Can see this. Oh, let me stand up. See the length. This is really long. Can see that. This is long. Oh, guys, I love this. I'm going to try this burgundy color on. Let me shift my wig backward. Then we'll wear this. We're back. Okay, I think I'm going to use lace tint because the lace is too white. I'm going to use a tint for it. I use this one. You guys know this is what I use. I'm just going to spread this all over. Okay, like this, because it's looking too white. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and cry. So guys, this is it on. This is how it will look. You see, it's better. Okay, let's separate this one first because it's disturbing me. All right. Then we're going to open the party again. I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know. So I want it to really lap. Okay, I want to make it form of glueless. That is why I will cut it really very close to the hairline. Let me see if I can pass hot comb on it. If it's not going to melt. I know. It did not melt. You can pass your hot comb. Ooh, you see that? I was afraid that it's going to melt. But see, no. It doesn't melt. You see that? Oh, you can pass your hot comb through it. It will not melt. Oh, it will not melt. So guys, you see, it's so beautiful. No one will believe this is a synthetic wig. This is a synthetic wig. Wow, just look at this. And you don't do much. If you want to glue it down, you can. If you don't want to glue it back, if you don't want to glue it down, you just do like me and you're good to go. Wow, I love this. If you want to cut it more shorter, you can. Me, I like hair like this. When it's too short, I don't like it. You can see this. Okay, we're going to try the last one on. Let's see. Don't forget, they are from Shein. Shein is popping. Shein is popping, guys. Look at this wig. Synthetic. All right, let's try another one on. So guys, I did the same thing to this one. That's why you're seeing the front like this. We're just going to clean it with baby wipe. Okay, to clean the hair, clean the lace tint from it. Oh. I hope this is going to go off. I hope this is going to go off. Anyway, guys, the thing could not clean more than this. I don't know whether because it's synthetic hair. I used to spray this on wigs. Anyway, we're going to leave it like this. All right, I'm just going to bring this forward like this. Let's brush it. Oh, I don't know why this refused to. It refused, oh, it refused to remove. Anyway, we're going to manage it. We are going to manage it, okay? So I want to go for a C part. Can we? Oh no, we cannot. Okay, let me try to do magic. If we can do some magic. Okay guys, this is what I got. We're going to use a wax stick to make sure we're able to like get this right. Okay, because I really want to do C-part for this. I need C-part. I don't just want to leave it like that. I want C-part for this. So we're going to try it out to see if we can achieve it. I think we can, okay? We can achieve the C-part, okay? Yeah, this is it. We already we've gotten our C-part. From here like this, let me see if I can still take from it. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to hold this down. The encore's word will pray. Then go the other side. Make it right in the next life.
Hey, Brett, this is Granny. I'm calling you because I just listened to your music. Girl, you were kicking it. I enjoyed it, Brett. I had Robin and I listening to it too. So we'll talk later. Bye-bye.
So guys, that is it. You guys see that I did not glue it down. Let me show you. See, it's not glued down. Okay. So I want you guys to see the length. You see the length? This is lovely from Shein. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I just decided to put hair inside. I can still bring it out. I'm coming to show you guys this. So guys, that is it. All link will be on the description box. Check it out if you are interested. I really like them. They are affordable. You can glue it down, you cannot glue it down. You can glue it down, you can glue it down, and you can decide not to glue it down. It's gorgeous. Just look at it. I so much love it. It's easy, easy, and beautiful. So guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.